Here you go, Dingman. If anybody can do this, I think maybe you can. Here's my assignment. I've already posted it. This is distance learning, the second lesson. And here are all the attachments that I have. There's six, 6. I want this video at the top, followed by the next one, then this, then that, then these 2 pages. How can I reorder those without taking all of these off? And then the only way that I can figure it out, as well as Marchbank and Laura Coughlin, is take them all out and then put them in the order that I want. So take them all out and put this video in first, and this one second, and this one third. But maybe you have a fix for this. I would be happy to hear your response. Thank you so much. Hopefully you can help me because I don't want to take all this stuff out.